Good morning, class. Today's lesson is going to be based on clouds. We are going to learn about the different cloud types and what kind of precipitation falls from these kind of clouds. I'm sure most of you look up in the sky every day and wonder what types of clouds you're looking at. Well, today we're going to learn all about the different types of clouds and where and how high these clouds are formed. Okay, first we're going to talk about the cloud root words. Cumulus is a root word for heap. Stratus means layer. Cirrus means curl of hair. And nimbus means rain. Keep these terms in mind when we discuss the different types of clouds, and all of this will make more sense in a little while. First type of cloud we're going to discuss is high-level clouds. These kind of clouds form above 20,000 feet, which is pretty high up in the atmosphere. They are also composed of ice crystals. Since they are so high, temperature decreases with height, so the temperatures are extremely cold at roughly 20,000 feet above the ground. They are usually thin and white, and the clouds that are high-level clouds are called cirrus and cirrostratus clouds. Cirrus clouds are an ice crystal cloud showing filaments of ice crystals. They are from the cirrus family. These are also known as the thin wispy clouds we see high in the sky during the summertime. Cirrostratus clouds consist of a high-level veil of ice crystal cloud. They frequently produce a halo around the sun or moon, and they are also from the cirrus family. Second types of clouds that we are going to discuss are mid-level clouds, and these can appear anywhere between 6,500 feet and 20,000 feet in the atmosphere. These mostly consist of water droplets, but if it's cold enough, ice crystals can form. Common types of mid-level clouds include altocumulus and altostratus clouds. Alto is a prefix we use to determine the mid-level cloud in the atmosphere. The first cloud, altocumulus. These are layered clouds with a globular structure. Sometimes people refer to these as buttermilk skies, and these come from the heap family. Altocumulus clouds are very similar to cumulus clouds, except for they are a little bit lower in the atmosphere. Next we have altostratus. These are thickly layered water droplet clouds. A sun's disk diffused as if viewed through a sheer curtain. They can form ice crystals if the temperature is cold enough and if they're high enough in the atmosphere, and these are from the stratus family. The third type of cloud we're going to discuss are the low-level clouds. These clouds generally form below 6,500 feet and are mostly composed of water droplets because the temperature is often not cold enough to form ice crystals. Types of low-level clouds that you normally see are nimbostratus, stratocumulus, and stratus clouds. Stratus clouds are low-lying, formless sheets. They look extremely low in the atmosphere and form kind of a platform of a cloud. There's not much texture or shape to them. It's also referred to as fog when the base lies on the ground. And these are obviously from the stratus family. Nimbostratus clouds are generally formless mass of low storm clouds. They are associated with continuous rainfall or snowfall if the temperature is cold enough. And these are from the layer family. So nimbostratus clouds are most likely associated with some form of precipitation. Stratocumulus clouds are low-layered clouds with bumpy heap-like structures. And these are from the heap and layer family. The fourth type of cloud are vertically developed clouds. Now these clouds can grow to heights in excess of 39,000 feet. They are extremely high in the atmosphere, and these are mostly developed when thunderstorms occur. They release incredible amounts of energy through condensation, and these types of clouds are normally what tornadoes and hailstorms come from. Cumulonimbus clouds. A massive pile of clouds penetrating the freezing level. These types of clouds are responsible for producing thunderstorms, hail, and sometimes tornadoes. They form an anvil at the base of the stratosphere. That's when you know the height of the atmosphere, is when the cloud levels off at the top. And these are from the cumulus family. Cumulus clouds are small heaps of clouds with flattish bottoms and rounded tops, also known as fair weather clouds. They are from the cumulus family. Lastly, we're going to learn about precipitation clouds. Two clouds can be grouped together, nimbostratus and cumulonimbus. These types of clouds combined are extremely known for producing different kinds of precipitation. Rain when it's warm enough and snow when it's cold enough. So now we're going to do a lab exercise based on cloud types and kinds of clouds that produce precipitation. So let's take out your labs and we'll start working on these as a class.